Mr. Michael.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
What's up, man? How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing today?
Pretty
Daniel?
good. We are in Dallas, Texas,
That's right.
heading to the office, right?
That's right.
So tell me a little bit about you, Michael.
Well, my name's Michael. I'm the master electrician and co-owner of Good Faith Energy. We've been doing this for quite a while, and we're out there just trying to help people save money on their electric bills by using renewable energies.
Renewable energies.
That's right.
That's good. So in the company, what type of equipment do you guys use? I heard that you do batteries, panels. What else?
Yeah, definitely. So, obviously, the first thing that is our bread and butter is the solar panel. Throw some solar panels on your house, reduce the amount of electricity that you use, and you are able to recoup those savings over the course of many years. Electricity costs are going up; they're not going down, and it's almost like an independence as well, away from utilizing the utilities power. You know, you're able to create your own power. That leads us into our next bread and butter, which is really the battery systems. We encourage our clients to not only produce their power but store it so that they can utilize it at night in the battery systems. So really they could go completely net zero.
What type of batteries?
We specialize in Tesla, the Powerwall 2.
Nice.
We also specialize in another battery called Sonnen, and we are certified as a Blue Planet battery installer as well. So we have multiple options, and the technology is getting better every day. It's getting less expensive every day to go solar with the battery and be independent away from the grid.
Okay. But Michael, really, tell me the truth, man. Solar works.
Yeah, it definitely works. So we get that a lot. There's a misconception about these solar panels really work. Or what about when the power goes off to my
Yeah.
Then what? Well, those are all good questions and concerns. But solar really works. Like, we're at a point now in life where the technology has advanced so much that we are actually able to offset your electricity bill and operate a house with solar panels. It seems like almost like the Jetsons, but it works. And then the question that we get about, well, do they work when my power goes out or something like that? Well, if you only have a solar system currently right now, they will not work that way. You got to have a battery to keep your power on, so that the solar panels can provide electricity into the batteries, and the batteries can provide power for your house. So will it work? Can it work? Yes. This is real, people. This technology is working every day out there for many people across the nation. And Good Faith Energy strives for excellence in this area, and DFW and all across the state of Texas. We're ready, and we're enjoying the rapid development of solar energy and battery storage.
Okay. You guys do commercial, residential, right?
Definitely. We specialize in both, and we can provide the full service. We can install it. Well, we can sell it to you. We can install it, and we can also manage it and maintain it for you as well.
That's the other thing, because I heard, a lot of companies, they just go sell it and see you later. That's it. Right?
Yeah, and the other thing that we take pride in, we not only do we sell it, but we also install it, and we also manage it in-house. So we do all of these things in-house.
What in your perspective, if you put like best, better, and okay panel that you can get here in Dallas for work, what is something, man? Give me something.
That's a good question, man. For me personally, I really like the LG, the LG panel. They're sleek, they're nice, they're very high producing panels. Panasonic, another great brand that we like to use. Same thing, sleek, designed very well. They they work really well in the state of Texas. Everything's just getting rapidly there. It's just rapidly transitioning into so much great technology that it's really hard to pick what is better than this, because they're across the board. A lot of companies are being very competitive, and they're offering the same thing. So really, then you want to kind of go back to okay, brand, like who are these people? What am I buying? How long have they been around? Have they been around longer than their warranty is out there? Who are they backed by? Are they financially stable company? So that's kind of the decisions that if it was me as a homeowner, I would look at, when I'm buying solar panels, are they going to be there forever? Most of these have 25-year warranties on them. Okay, well, is this company that I'm buying solar panels not only the company that I'm buying them from, but that's manufacturing them? Are they going to be around for the lifespan of the system?
Lifetime, man.